Today we're going to take a look at Morpheus.Network and decide whether or not it's a low market cap gem. What would make it a low market cap gem? That's easy. It would have to be under a $500 million market cap. It would have to provide a service, solve a problem, or have another use case. And it would definitely have to be able to do a 25 to 50x in the next bull market. And last but certainly not least, it has to be able to be staked, farmed, or provide some type of other passive income. Let's see if Morpheus.Network has what it takes to become one of our low market cap gems. We're going to take a look at Morpheus.Network. The website is Morpheus.Network. And it's basically, it's making supply chain logistics decentralized. Before we get into this project, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a like below. I'd really appreciate it. They're doing this in multiple ways. I'm trying to break this down the easiest way possible. I did a lot of research on this project. It looks really promising. So they're on their website, it says modern solutions to manage supply chains. They're breaking it down into 4 categories. The first one is automation. Smart contracts drive the supply chain with predetermined automated work contracts, shipping, and custom documents, as well as fast international payments to over 1,600 banks globally. In multi-flow payments, payments are automated using smart contracts, which can be sent or received in any currency or cryptocurrency globally. Settlements are initiated through the SWIFT network, supporting 200 plus countries worldwide. Integrations: the platform runs blockchain agnostic and is capable within any blockchain infrastructure a company wishes to use, which is amazing. For example, 2 companies can leverage all platform benefits without the same blockchain infrastructure implemented. For example, Ethereum and Hyperledger. This is where it gets super interesting. The layering of new and existing technologies, legacy or blockchain, further enables supply chain automation. Integrations including utilizing FedEx's tracking technology to signify shipment arrivals or Ripple as a settlement objective in a supply chain smart contract. So what they're saying in a way is you could get a FedEx shipment and it could go through the blockchain, and it could be a smart contract that you sign to receive the item. And then it could be paid through Ripple using multiple tokens, including XRP. That's amazing. Okay, we can definitely say that they have plenty of use case. So now let's go into the integrations and see what companies they're partnered with, which is ridiculous. We go down here, it's DHL, FedEx, Swift, Ripple, UPS, Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle, Salesforce, just on and on and on. You use Chainlink and Stellar as well. So these are the partners that they have so far. And then they're saying partner with us. The digital transformation of the USD $15 trillion global supply industry is already underway. Position your company as a first mover in the world's first global supply ecosystem using blockchain technology. Okay, we've definitely proven the use case of the project. Now let's take a look at the tokenomics and the price action. We go to coinmarketcap.com and we go to the MNW token, which is the Morpheus.Network token. We're seeing the prices around $1.39. It has recently gone on a nice run. There is a node. The nodes are starting in December. That could be part of the reason why. And it's been really popular on Twitter. I've seen a lot of tweets about it, and because of quant as well, because quant's kind of a related project. People are kind of, I think, taking some quant profits and putting it into the MNW token. I bought some in at about $1, between 90 cents and $1. I'm waiting to buy more when it gets down to probably around $1.20 is where's the sweet spot for me. Not financial advice, But one of the reasons that it's going up is because of the nodes that are starting in December. We're going to look at the node system here in a minute, but I just wanted to look at the tokenomics for the project. And you could buy it on KuCoin. That's the major exchange. That's what I've been buying it on. Gate.io as well. Bittrex too. So I want to take a look at what the market cap would be if it was in like the top 100. The number 102 token is Loopring. The market cap is 329 million, 0.2 million. 101 is Gemini Dollar. That's a stable coin, so we're not going to use that one as an example. But if we did 329, 200, 788, and we divide it by the Morpheus.Network market cap, which is 65,653. $492. That'd be a 5x to get to the top 102, to coin number 102. So it'd be around a $7 token. $1.39 times 5. Almost $7. So that's a 5x to get to coin number 102, which is definitely possible considering all the partnerships and use cases that Morpheus.Network has. I wanted to do one more calculation. Similar project is VeChain. I'm not saying that it's going to go to the market cap of VeChain. I just wanted to see like what the price would be if it did. So VeChain's market cap is at 1 billion, 1.6 billion. So 1614 212 744 divided by Morpheus.Network's market cap, which is 65 653 492. That would be a 24.58x. So if we did 24.58 times 139, it would be a $34 token. Not saying that's going to do that in the bear market, but that'd be a 25x almost. And it could definitely do that in a bull market, I would think, for sure. I'm not comparing it exactly to VeChain. VeChain is one of the highest market cap coins there is in the top 50. So I'm just showing possibilities. Definitely a possibility. So that gets your 25x right there. Could it go to 50x? Possibly. Likely. Probably not. But 10x is good. 25x is amazing. 50x is insane. So definitely possibilities. So it definitely has the ability to do a 25 to 50x. That's part of our stipulations for a low market cap gem. Okay, now we're down to our final thing to check. Can you make passive income with Morpheus.Network token, the MNW token? And yes, you can. It is a node program, a master node program. It is starting soon. The KYC has begun. You do have to KYC to get into this. I am very, very interested in this program. December 1st of 2022, about a month and a half, you can start to stake your tokens. December 20th of 2022 is when the program starts. First node fees received 6 months from the start date. So June of 2023 is when you would start getting your rewards. And we'll take a look down here. Start to stake on December 1st, 2022, or node operators will receive a login, which they can connect to their personal wallet and to start to stake their tokens. In addition, those operators will have 21 days to set up their start stake before the program start date. How much passive income can you make? Obviously, it'll depend on the token value, but it says to receive 18% of the total number of MNW staked per masternode per year, paid monthly at a rate of 1.5% per month. Node operators must meet all minimum node requirements. So I've been looking into this for a little while. It's very interesting to me. There's different size nodes. It's 1,800 MNW tokens to start. You must have, and then I can leave the link to this article in the description of the video. I don't want to make this video too long, but another bullish factor is people are going to be locking up their tokens in these nodes starting in December. So that could have an effect on a positive effect on the price of the MNW token. Okay, back to the whiteboard. Does Morpheus.Network meet our requirements to be a low market cap gem? Is it under a $500 million market cap? Yes, it is. It's at 65-ish million. Does it have a use case? Yes, it does. Is it a 25 to 50x possibility? Yes, it is. And the fourth and final one was, does it have a way to make passive income? And yes, it does. It has the node program, which is starting in December. So keep a lookout for that. I am very interested in this. There are requirements here that you have to do, and you do have to KYC. You also have to have a minimum of 1 hard drive and 1 processor core dedicated to each masternode, with 500 megabytes of available hard drive space, an internet connection with at least 10 megabytes per second. And you have to be online 99% of the time per month. So there are some stipulations with this that you have to have, but I am very interested in this, and I think I'm going to try to DCA into this and get a masternode eventually. Morpheus.Network is definitely a low market cap gem. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.